Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Today in this video I'm going to explain you how you can earn money before you monetize your channel. This one was most asked question, especially from my friends and family, and also a lot of you asked, how does it possible? If you follow these 5 tips, you will start earning the money from the day one, from the first video. You can see that your time start paying you already, so this is something you can start right away. To start earning on YouTube, you need to be YouTube partner. To be eligible of YouTube partner, you have to have 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch time. Some YouTuber, it may takes about 1.5 years to achieve this milestone, and some do very quick if they have if they have blogger channel, or if they are influencer before they start YouTube channel, like in Instagram or TikTok, they could achieve them quickly. But in average, people may take about 1 to 1.5 years to achieve this milestone. So as a millennial myself, I can tell you that I like numbers. I love to see numbers. I believe on numbers. If some number doesn't go up, it throws me out. And for me, it is definitely a big question. There is no revenue generating from my current time. How long I will keep this up? This is one of the biggest question. I have done research before I start the YouTube channel. To make one video, it takes 3 days to input that video and publish that. And one day I need to do planning, I need to do research to get some information and put in front of you. Another day I do shooting, and I go one day for editing. So these 3 days are really valuable for me, because I will definitely use this time for where I can generate money, especially the age I am. This is the time I should earn money and plan for my retirement. And for my plan is, I want to retire when I'm 40 or 45. I don't want to work anymore. I want to travel the world. So I want to create something before I hit retirement, the passive income, you can say, or you can say the something that there to pay off my current time. Enough of talking, let's get into the tips. I just want to be clear, this is not a sponsored video. The first way of earning in YouTube is selling your product and services, something you're currently doing. Say for example, if I am producing t-shirts, I promote my t-shirt on my YouTube channel. As me, I am a owner of security company, so I am trying to I have different channel for that, but over there I sell my security services over the YouTube channel. So so in short, you can sell your product and services over YouTube. This you need to keep in mind that people are more watching YouTube than TV. We spend more time in this platform, and this is one of the biggest platforms that you can promote yourself. And who can promote your services better than you? So you should spend your time to promote your product and services. Second is subscription based. It's like a Netflix. So subscription based work like a Netflix. You buy the subscription, and you use every month, you pay every month, and you use the services. So this is called subscription based. You can build your own website where you can which it will be subscription based. So you can put a price plan. So if someone want to use pay as you go, or if someone just want to buy one kind of product, or if someone wants to be a monthly subscriber. So it's up to you how you want to decorate your website. Or if you feel like that's too much of work, you make YouTube video and you do the subscription, then you can go to platform like Skillshare, Unseen. They are helping people to use their platform to get the subscriber. Say for example, you are a math teacher, you can sell your one kind of chapter of the math over there. You upload it, you leave it, people go to the Skillshare, they buy your products, and you get commission. So you're just, what you done is passive income, great passive income. You put there and it will keep generating money for lifetime. So this is one of the great passive income you can ever ask for. Third one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing actually one of the biggest resource of income. Affiliate marketing is work like this, is a review. You review a product, whoever influence from your review and buy that product from your provided link, you get the commission. Doesn't matter which country you live in, you still can get this facility. I know a lot of people who are my viewers, especially back home, they think that there is no way that they can use that, but good news is you can. You need to find out what kind of affiliate marketing going on in your area, and you can easily use that. Their biggest affiliate marketing is Amazon Associate. You go there, and over there you fill up the form. It takes 15 minutes. Influence your viewer to buy the product from your link. Once they buy the product, you get the commission. Even though after being monetizing, it is one of the biggest platform. You don't need to wait until you become a full a YouTube partner or monetize your channel. You can start right now from your first YouTube video. Fourth one is crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is like people pay you to make your video, they sponsor your video. And different type of crowdfunding. One is you pay them in interest, the money you borrow, you pay them in interest. Another one is you pay them the part of the share of the profit. Another one is reward basis, so you give them special perk or special treatments, or chatting with them, or they are the one who can see YouTube video before anyone see them, the one day before or something like this, or they can access to your special videos, something like this. And fourth one is charity, totally charity. They give you the money, they don't claim anything, they just give it. They think you deserve some help and they give you the money. But it's not easy to find a crowdfunding. My crowdfunder from Patreon, they are so helpful. They take part of your income, is earn as you pay, so if you earn more, you pay more. If you earn less, you pay less. Fifth and final one is find your own brand deal. I know we are very small and we have like 500 subscribers and we don't have that many people watching our videos, but it doesn't mean that you cannot promote or make any brand deal. You can just go ahead and do it. I'm using some kind of services for my businesses. So what I did, I approached to them, will promote your services on my YouTube. If I manage to influence anyone to buy your services from my YouTube, I get the I will claim that much commission. So you make the deal with them. YouTube is the biggest income is a brand deal. So when you are a big YouTuber, you will get lots of brand deal, you will get big company brand deal, but if you are smaller, you think, oh, I'm not even monetize it, how I'm gonna go and get the brand deal. You can, you literally can. You have a friend who have great product, or they have great website, you can just go and offer them, I'm going to promote your product on my YouTube, and we can make a deal for that. Okay, so you don't have to earn a lot from that, but you still can start having a brand deal. from small company, from small businesses. It doesn't have to it doesn't have to be big. Like, you don't have to go for Canon for a brand deal or Starbucks for a brand deal. You can literally go and get the deals. You need to work a little bit out of it. You need to remember, this YouTube is a business. You need to have a business model. You need to have a strategy. If it's your hobby, then I would say you have a great hobby. I hope this video helps you a little bit. I hope this video gives you a little bit of encouragement, and I hope this video will serve its purpose. The purpose of the video was, I want to make sure that all the small YouTuber like me, their passion or pursue their dream. This video helps you a little bit. Please like this video, comment in the below that which method are you going to apply for earning money, and share this video to your friends so that they don't give up. To elaborate more about this crowdfunding or affiliate marketing, or you want to know more about the subscription based services, how you can be part of it, I can make a separate video for each topic and explain you in detail. I will make more video for small YouTubers, so please subscribe, click the bell button so that you don't miss any of my video.